Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the solution on Capcut cannot exporting. So if you're facing this problem where your Capcut cannot export, or the exporting is error, you can try to fix it with these three easy solutions. So first, you can just go to the menu in here and go to the Capcut settings and go to the performance, and you can see there's this encode and decode. So what you need to do is, if this is checked, you can just uncheck it, the first one's right here, and then you can tap on save. Okay, and the second one is that you can go to settings again and try to delete the cache. So I cannot do it in here because I need to close the project before clearing the cache. So let's just close it first, and in here you can go to the settings again, and here you can see the cache is quite big. You can just clear it up by clicking on this, tap on OK, and now Capcut will removing the cache. So by removing the cache, it will hopefully solve the exporting error on the Capcut PC. And the last resort, or the last method that you can do, if none of them is working, you can just uninstall the Capcut PC app first from your computer. You can just here find Capcut. You can see this is the Capcut option. You can just right click on it and then here tap on uninstall, and after that, after the Capcut has been uninstalled, you can try to reinstall it again, and hopefully there's no more exporting error again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.